Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create glow text effect on KineMaster. Okay, let's get started. Here I have opened my KineMaster, and as you can see, I have created a project. And first of all guys, I'm going to add text to this project. So I'm going to go to the layer and then select text, and for example, I'm just going to type in glow effect like this, and then I'm going to click on the OK button. And before you add glow effect to your text, you can change the font if you want. You can choose the font that you like, and I'm just going to leave it like that, and I'm going to make it bigger like this, and we're going to scroll down until we find the glow option. Okay, and then you're going to enable the glow effect and choose the color for the glow effect. And for instance, I'm just going to choose purple. Okay, and click on the check mark, and then you can increase the spread and also the size like this. Okay, and this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create glow text effect on KineMaster. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.